Hello everyone. Are you wondering what Scammer Bay means? Let's explore. Scammer Bay refers to a romantic partner who exploits or takes advantage of someone, often for financial gain. This term highlights a dynamic where one person manipulates the other, pretending to care or be interested in a relationship while secretly aiming to benefit from them materially. Scammer Bay is typically used to describe someone who uses charm and deceit to secure money, gifts, or other resources from their partner. The term has gained popularity as more stories emerge of people being tricked by those they thought they could trust. It serves as a warning in the online dating world, where the risk of encountering someone with ulterior motives is higher. In essence, Scammer Bay is about recognizing and calling out those who enter relationships with dishonest intentions. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.